Finally, I made it here. Came back from a fire. It's time to take off this mask because, like, who wants to wear this mask? This is the only clothes I had, so I guess this is my new home now. Took me a long time to get here. So long. I have 1,764, but good thing my parents gave me a lot of diamonds, and I kind of spent some at the store for little dresses and stuff. So I think I'm going to go to the spa. Looks like I'm here. Let's go in. My name is Bella. I am new at this school. So the spa should be, I think here. Here? Yeah, it's here. Okay. Let's go here. I'm gonna use it, yeah, anyways, it's time for me to get all this dirty ash off of me. Let's go ahead and put on this towel. Alright, it's time to get in the shower and see. And let's see how clean I look in a bit. And now it's time to brush my teeth. I haven't brushed my teeth in 2 days because I've been walking here and running here for 2 days. Ever since the fire, I've been, kind of sad, but let's not mind that now. So, yeah, I guess it's time to do my hair, so let's get this hair dryer. And let's see if I could do something. Wow, I think I did pretty good. Now I think I'm trying my best to use these clothes that I bought earlier. So let's see what we can do here. Alright, here's the best I could do. I look way different. Oh my gosh. Let's brush my hair a little bit. There we go. I guess it's time for makeup. Now I'm gonna look totally different. So let's see what I can. Wow, I did pretty good. I only went for a simple makeup because I already look pretty, as my mom would say. Hopefully she'll visit one day. And last but not least, let's freshen up. Wow, looks so different and new. Well, I guess this is it. So guys, I'm Kimura, and this is it for From Natural Disaster to Beautiful, even though she's already beautiful. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Bye!